This is the Wolves team sheet. Jose Sarr is the goalkeeper. Ruben Neves plays alongside Saul in central midfield. And leading the attack is Matheus Cunha. Genuine chance. And there it is! The opening goal, and what a bright start it's been.
Here's the replay, and just look at the way he glides past the defender. Makes it look so easy. And what a strike that is. Lots of pace and power, and the goalie just can't keep it out. It's a good finish.
And there's another one. Valuable breathing space for them now.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a great delivery into the box. And then what a great finish as well. It's a good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a fantastic goal.
Delivered into the box. And it's not the best of clearances. Oh, ho, ho! That has flown into the net. What a strike! A superb volley.
Well, what a finish that is. He connects so sweetly. The keeper can only watch it go past him. It's a brilliant goal.
Matheus Cunha. Could be a chance! And the keeper makes the save. And really, we shouldn't have expected anything else. Leon Bailey. Need to get tighter here. Oh, worth a shot. And that's a decent save, at least certainly made to look that way. Matheus Cunha. He'll have a go here. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for.
I think he's had a good first 45 minutes. He's created so many chances, and his goal was a good finish. I think he's going to be key.
Oh, what a chance this is! Oh, excellent work from the keeper to deny a promising-looking attack.